Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create another account in Mobile Legends. Alright, so let's begin. If you're trying to create another account in Mobile Legends, the first thing you're going to want to do is tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, it's going to pull up your profile page. On this page, look at the left hand side menu and select the account option. When you're inside the account section, look toward the bottom right area and you'll see a switch account option. Go ahead and tap on that and it will open up this menu. Now from here, you'll see multiple login methods available. You can log in using Google, Facebook, TikTok, Apple, Google Play or Moonton account. There are quite a few options to choose from. What you need to do is select a different login method than the one you're currently using. For example, if your main account is connected to Google, then choose Facebook, TikTok, Apple or another available method. When you log in using a new method that hasn't been linked before, Mobile Legends will automatically create a brand new account for you. Once the new account is created, you can easily switch between your accounts anytime. Just go back to the account settings tab, tap switch account and log in to whichever account you want to use, and that's it. This is how you can create another account in Mobile Legends. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.